Hello friends, welcome to Darkwiki YouTube channel. In this video I will show that run Kali Linux directly from the Microsoft App Store on Windows 10. Now you can download and install Kali Linux directly from the Microsoft App Store on Windows 10, just like any other application. Kali Linux, a very popular, free, and open source Linux-based operating system widely used for hacking and penetration testing, is now natively available on Windows 10, without requiring dual boot or virtualization. Kali Linux is the latest Linux distribution to be made, available on the Windows App Store for one-click installation, joining the list of other popular distributions such as Ubuntu, OpenSUSE and SUSE Enterprise Linux. In Windows 10, Microsoft has provided a feature called Windows Subsystem for Linux that allows users to run Linux applications directly on Windows. Kali Linux on Windows does not come with any hacking or penetration testing tools pre-installed, but you can easily install them later. Let's start. Hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye, see you in the next video.